Welcome to Tech Tuesday. I'm Hunter, a CSR representative at Genius Phone Repair, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the i18 TWSs that we just got in stock. The wireless headphones come in a nice, clean, and white sleek packaging that's going to be great and easy to use for most types and sizes of belt pockets. Another great feature of the case is the magnetic seal it comes with is going to be great for keeping those studs safe in those pockets. Now let's get these bad boys out of the case and see how they sync up. Now something I'm sure you guys weren't expecting is that you can pair them up both to Samsung and Apple technology. You just simply need to pull them out of the case. They will turn themselves on, and you need to find them in your Bluetooth directory, and you'll be able to sync up and be ready to roll. Now let's get these in the ear and see how they work for if you were to say be going to the gym or on a run. You want to make sure that your studs are going to be staying nice and snug in your ear, and as you can see with a couple of head shakes, they're not falling out. I don't have any fear of them falling out. They feel really great in there. I'm going to get some music going. I really like to listen to my music around 60%, and right now the sound quality I have coming through is nice and clear. Now, the touch features that they come with are great and really come at easy use to the device. You simply, if you're wanting to skip a song, you're going to need to pull the right earbud, and after 3 seconds it gets on to the next song. If you're wanting to use like Bixby or Siri, you just need to tap twice, and your voice assistant will pop up and start helping you immediately with the task at hand. And if you're wanting to contact the last person you were calling, you just need to tap once, and it will dial the last number. Now, I'm sure you guys might be wondering, what are we going to be asking for these? With all these features packed into it? Well, for the great price of $59.99 at all of our Genius Store locations, that's really all we're going to be asking. And for me, that's a deal you can't beat. Now, this has been a Tech Tuesday. My name's Hunter, and I hope to see you again next week.